Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade bread rolls from scratch. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have about 3 cups of all-purpose flour ready. Next, activate your yeast by combining warm water, a packet of active dry yeast, and a small pinch of sugar in a bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then, mix in the flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to form a shaggy dough. Now, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, lightly oil a clean bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has completed its first rise, gently punch it down to release the air. Next, turn the dough onto a clean surface and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Each piece should weigh approximately 2 ounces for consistent roll size. Take each piece and shape it into a smooth, round roll. Arrange these rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1.5 inches between each one. For the final rise, cover your shaped rolls and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Let them cool slightly before serving warm with butter or your favorite spread. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.